Welcome to 4608 West Ferguson in lovely Cedar Hills, Utah. This is a fantastic home. It has 6 large bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, an open concept floor plan upstairs, has a lovely and huge backyard. Directly down the street, about a block and a half, you'll hook up with Murdoch Canal Trail. This trail goes through almost all of Utah County from east to west. I don't even know how far it is. It's a ways. You should go do it. Your elementary school is 1/4 of a mile this way. So we have a beautiful park here. So it's a really great home. I hope you can come down and check it out.